guys, it's me Hafiz and welcome to my channel. So here's a new video. In this video I'm gonna talk about some important information about the upcoming legendary Ghost character which is coming in Call of Duty Mobile. So Ghost Retribution. The legendary Ghost character will be available in COD Mobile pretty soon. So here's a quick sight of this character. So this character has an AR watch that displays how much kills you did. Dog Riley is like clown class in VR that will fight enemies same like the K9 unit does. And a special loot box that displays the kills. Let me go ahead and tell what all the rewards you will get in this lucky draw. So first, you will get the shorty shotgun in the last resort camo. And the M4 Vengeance camo.
Let's go.
And a backpack in the comeback camo. And a calling card named On Patrol. Holding knife in the comeback camo. And a parachute in the comeback camo. And as well as the epic metallic ghost charm. And a tank in a comeback camo. And a put on a show emote and lastly the legendary Ghost character in the Retribution uniform. And this lucky draw proved to be the fourth lucky draw of the season. There will actually be 6 lucky draws in the season deep in water. So I will show you the lobby intro of this legendary Ghost character. Yeah, there's it. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe to my channel and comment down below what's your opinion about the legendary Ghost character. Will you buy it or not? And is it worth for a lucky draw? Say it in the comment box below. So until then, meet you in the new video. Bye bye.
Cash, ich will lila, baller mir ne Shisha. Setz dir Nike tief rein, Block auf der Street, ja. Die Bullen haben uns im Visier, mein Block ist noch hier. Machst du Stress, dann kommen wir auf den Umsatz konzentriert.
Ich flüchte von den Bullen, doch sie haben keine Conny, Bro. Tun die so auf Promino, nein, du holst ne Kombi, yo. Wach auf am Morgen grauen, erstmal an dem Besenbaum verschlafen, in die Wolken schauen und habe teufelsrote Augen. Damals alle meine Texte raus, damals lachen sie mich aus, Feinheit.